If you are also a business owner and want to generate your leads on call, then this video is for you. In this video, we are going to talk about call-only ads. Call-only ads are a solution where you can directly get leads for your business on call. In this video, I am going to talk about how we can set up call-only ads. What are call-only ads and how to is scaled. I will also give you some tips on how you can make it better for Corona. For business. Let's begin. First, we will understand what call-only ads are. You see, call-only ads are a type of advertisement, a type of campaign, where the user, if they are seeing your advertisement, will call you directly. Now, if I explain this advertisement with an example, if someone searches for internet service, if anyone searches internet services, they will see the advertisement if someone searches for internet service or any service you provide. This is how your advertisement will be shown to them. What can the customer do? They can directly call you or they can visit your website. This advertisement is a very good advertisement. If you have a business that has just started and is completely new, you want to quickly get leads on calls. You don't have a very large team, so this is the best solution for you. And if you want more information about call-only ads.in, I have provided a link in the description. It is a blog on my website. You can go and read it, where I have given more information. Detailed information is provided about call-only ads and how you can generate call-only ads. Let's move further. Next, we'll see how we can create call-only ads. Okay, so to create call-only ads, first you will have to create a campaign. A search campaign, then after that we can create call-only ads. So first, I will set up the campaign. I have already made a video on how to create a campaign. I will open it in the I button or provide its link in the description. You can check it out there. Let's start on how we can create the campaign. So let's do a new campaign. Quickly, we will do a new campaign. I will keep it very easy. I will create a campaign, then we will give it search campaign. After doing the search campaign, we continue from here. Here, because I need leads on phone calls, I have to insert my advertisement, my phone number here. You have to enter the country code then. So I've entered my number here. You also have to enter your number in this way. And make sure that the way to enter the number is this. Large. Initially, start with 0. Then after that, you need to leave 5 digits in your number in this way. Insert your number in the same way as shown. Okay. After this, let's do it. Continue the campaign. You can choose what you want to provide. For now, I'll leave it as a search campaign. Then I start new. Here, the first thing that comes up is bidding. How will you bid? For example, if you want to maximize conversions, that is, you want to get as many calls as possible, then leave it on conversions. Change this. Do not. But if you want to get more clicks, focus on the website where you want users to click and be redirected, then you can go for clicks. But if you want to focus on impressions so that your advertisement is seen by as many people as possible, you can focus on that too. If you ask me what I would choose, I would keep it on conversions. And I would also recommend that you keep it on conversion. Then from here, we proceed to the next. Then comes the Google Search Partner Network. Google Search Partner Network refers to the websites where Google displays its advertisements. For example, Ask.com or W3 School. If you want your advertisement to be shown on these websites, it can be displayed. But I do not prefer it because I only want my advertisement to appear on Google. So we will only show it on Google, not even the display network. The display network like YouTube or other platforms, if you want to show advertisements on them. So, you can show it, but I do not prefer that. Then we come to location. Our call-only ads advertisement is focused on advertisements, and it is more focused on the country in which you are running the advertisement. If I am running an advertisement in India, then try to do it in India. International calls, there is a bit of a problem. Then try to keep it in the country where you are running it. Then if you have that country's number, well and good. For example, if I have to do it for the US and I also have a US number, there won't be any problem. But which country and number you are giving depends on that country. And if you do local advertising, then well and good. So, I just put Delhi here because I want to do advertising in Delhi. So we are putting Delhi here. Then comes the language, that in which language you will do the advertising. If English is preferred, then I will keep it in English. Then, how will you do keyword targeting? I have already made a video on keyword targeting, where I have already explained what broad match keywords, phrase match keywords, or what types of keywords there are. I will also give its link in the description. In the upper right button, I will also pin it. So you can take a look at that as well. For better understanding, see what type of keywords you need to choose so that you can scale your advertisement well and target the right user. So then, after this, decide whether to use broad match keywords or phrase match. Prefer to turn it off. So, this is already off in my advertisement. Then come down below. After this, you don't have to do anything. Just come down once. Check everything about when to start the advertisement. The most important thing you need to see. Okay, so my advertisement will start on February 27, 2025. And when do I want to end it? Meaning, when should the advertisement automatically shut down? So for example, I want to stop the advertisement on the 31st of March, then it stops. It will be stopped. Then after that, we come down. In the schedule, whether your advertisement will be shown at 24 or 12 or any particular time, you can set this up. Even based on the day, let's change it. For example, it's all day. The advertisement will be shown every day. From what time to what time you want to show it, you can also set that up here. For the main thing, if you have a business and there is a specific art of that business, like for example, if your employees come at 9 and leave at 6, then you need to keep it 9 to 6 here. That when you are available in the office or only during your business hours, you should run the advertisement. After that, do not run the advertisement. Then I want my advertisement to only show from Monday to Friday. So it will run from Monday to Friday. From what time to what time to run it? So I want my advertisement, okay, this is based on 24 hours. So please make sure it should run from 9:30 to 6 o'clock. So I am checking this. Alright. So in this way, I can manage the time. So this is particular. This is a very important thing. Make sure to keep track of when to run the advertisement. Do not make it 24 hours, otherwise your advertisement will be visible for 24 hours. A user might be searching at 3 in the morning. They will also see the advertisement. They might call you. It's possible that you might not pick up the phone. So this is very important. Make sure to keep track of when to run the advertisement. Okay then, after this you don't need to do anything. Just click next from here. After clicking next, your website will open here. You have to enter your website here. So this is my website's URL. Now it will automatically fetch the data from my website. Look at this. It has already taken the data from my website. Now, if you want, you can generate from here or you can skip it as well. It is preferred for now that you skip it. Do not generate. So I will skip it from here. After skipping, your ad group appears here. You can insert your ad group here. Whatever your ad group is, you can create it here. Alright. But right now, we don't need to create an ad group. For now, we will just insert some keywords related to our website here. So you can do it related to the website if you want or not. So for now, what I will do is just give my website here. Now what will it do? It will automatically find out some related keywords which it has already done. These keywords have appeared. After the keywords appear, you need to scroll down and click next from here. Whatever keywords you want to add, you can add. Keywords mean that your advertisement will show up for these keywords. That is, if someone searches for online advertising, so they will see my ad and can call me. If someone searches digital advertising, they will see my advertisement and they can call me. So this way, they will be able to call me. So these are the keywords where my advertisement will appear. For now, I'll proceed to the next. Then it will ask you for the budget. You can add whatever comfortable budget you have, whatever you can pay here. But if you ask me, in the beginning, we will not scale our budget that much. First, we will gather a little data to see if our advertisement is running correctly or not. We will check whether we are generating the right calls or not. For that reason, I prefer that you start with the minimum. That means you can even start this with just 500 rupees. It could start at 500 rupees on average weekly. Calls or conversions, as you might call them, may come to me. At 0.9 conversions may come. The cost of conversion will be that much. Then if we talk about weekly clicks, they will come that much. All these things will depend on you. The more keywords you add on the keywords, it might become a bit expensive. If there is more competition on your keywords, it might be that the cost of this advertisement increases a bit. If the advertisement's keywords are less, meaning they don't have much traffic and there is not much bidding on them, then you will have to pay less for those keywords. So it depends on what the keyword is. You will have to pay here according to that keyword. So please watch the video about keywords once. You will get a very good idea of how to find keywords and add them to your website or use them for advertisement. For now, I will just click next from here. After clicking next, I will have to publish the advertisement here. So just publish the advertisement. What did we just do? We have just created a basic ad, but we haven't made a call-only ad yet. For a call-only ad, we will go to the ad group. From there, we will change things. So now you have to publish here. It is saying that you have not created the campaign, not created the complete campaign. Please make sure that your information is correct. What I am saying is publish. You simply have to publish. Don't think about it. Now, what will we do? Now, we will go to the campaign section on the left hand side. Now we will go back to the campaign. We had created a campaign. We will go to this particular campaign. There was one ad group, but if I go inside this ad group, there won't be any campaign. But yes, there are all the keywords. Now what do I have to do? I have to go to the ad section. If I go to ads, there is no ad here. Now what do we have to do? We have to press plus here. Here it shows call ads. Now we have reached call ads. In call ads, first of all, you have to enter the country. Then enter the number. Make sure that you enter the number in this way. Do not change any of this. Enter the numbers in the same pattern I told you. Then after that is the website. Which website you have to give. Providing a website is compulsory. Advertising on Google does not work without a website. And if you want to create a website, you can visit my website at the number given below. If you want to have a basic website made, want to create a landing page, then at a very low price, I will provide you with a landing page, which will allow you to create and run advertisements on your Google Ads. So first we come here and enter the URL. Okay, so I've entered my URL here. Then we copy it from here and I add it below again. Alright, then there's no specific need to give a path, but you can if you want. But the path is typically shown on the right hand side. For example, if here it says www.mywebmedia.in is coming. So if I want to change something here, like for example, if I write a blog here, it will directly redirect to the blog section, but I don't want to redirect. I want to go to the home page, so I will leave it as it is. After that comes the headline. You have to provide two headlines, then the business name, followed by description and description. Description, so you can enter information like this. Headline, your name, your business name, and the description you can add to it. But make sure that whatever description or information you are giving should definitely include your keywords because it will rank on that keyword. So in this way, my advertisement will show on the phone. Then if I scroll down, then you have to go here, click on call formats and then save it. This way you can create your call only ad. You can do it. So I explained to you how we can create ads. It was a very simple way to create ads. I hope it's clear to you how we can create advertisements. If you want to know more, you can call the number given below or visit my website, or you can comment. Now, I will give you some tips on what you need to keep in mind while creating the advertisement. So, the first thing to keep in mind while making the advertisement is that the number you provide should be valid. There should not be any problem with it. And yes, that number should also be on your website. If that number is not on your website, the advertisement might not run. Google might even suspend it. So you need to have that number on your website as well. The second thing to keep in mind, whenever you create any advertisement, try to focus on local advertisements. That is, if your business is a local one. For example, if I talk about Delhi, if I provide services in Delhi, then it's well and good. For example, if I receive a call, if a call comes from Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, or any other state, I might not provide service. So please make sure that whatever advertisement you are doing, try. If you run a local business, then it is best for hotels, which is very good for them. Besides that, if you provide any particular service or plumber services, cleaning services, then it is also a great solution for them. It is. After this, whatever advertisement you run, your business starts. For example, if your office opens at 6, run the advertisement from 9 to 6, but not after that. But yes, if your business operates 24/7, then you can run it 24/7 as well. It is a very good solution for those who want to talk directly to the customer on the call to generate business leads on the call. If you are an e-commerce website that you have just started, then you can generate leads directly through calls. Is a very good option for you. Make sure that any advertisement you run includes negative keywords. Be careful when entering your keywords for broad match, phrase match, or exact match. You can watch one of my videos if you want. I will pin it in the I button and also provide it in the description below so that you can clearly understand how to. You can create advertisements. You can use keywords in them and make sure to include negative keywords so that you can finalize or filter who not to show the advertisement to. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. If you want any information, you can visit the number given below or visit my website, and you can also comment. Thank you for the video. See you in the next video. Thank you.